Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, where we keep you up to date with everything happening in the world of cryptocurrency. In today's episode, we're focusing on Bitcoin, the king of crypto. There's been a revival in Bitcoin's price recently, but we need to keep an eye on a key resistance level. That could be crucial in determining the next big move. Let's jump right in. As most of you know, Bitcoin's price has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride. After reaching all-time highs, we saw some significant pullbacks. But it looks like Bitcoin isn't done yet. The price has started to increase again, showing the resilience and potential of this pioneering cryptocurrency. The recent increase in Bitcoin's price is certainly encouraging for Bitcoin holders and investors. It's a reminder that while Bitcoin can be highly volatile, it also has a history of bouncing back from downturns. This resilience is one of the reasons why Bitcoin continues to be a fascinating asset for traders and investors alike. There could be several factors driving this renewed interest in Bitcoin. Perhaps it's the continued adoption of cryptocurrencies by mainstream companies. Or maybe it's the increasing recognition of Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. The ongoing developments in the crypto regulatory landscape could also play a part. Firstly, the increasing acceptance and adoption of Bitcoin by mainstream entities is a significant driver. Major corporations and financial institutions have started to embrace Bitcoin, either by holding it on their balance sheets or by facilitating Bitcoin transactions for their customers. This widespread institutional adoption not only brings more liquidity into the Bitcoin market, but also boosts overall confidence, making it an attractive option for both institutional and retail investors. Secondly, macroeconomic factors cannot be ignored. With countries pumping money into their economies to combat the effects of the pandemic, fears of inflation are on the rise. In such a scenario, many view Bitcoin as digital gold, a hedge against potential inflation. As more investors turn to Bitcoin for this purpose, demand increases, pushing the price upward. Furthermore, the regulatory landscape, which has often been a double-edged sword for cryptocurrencies, seems to be evolving in a more crypto-friendly direction in many jurisdictions. While regulatory scrutiny can introduce short-term uncertainty, clear and supportive regulations can also lend more legitimacy to cryptocurrencies and encourage wider adoption. Next, we must consider the role of market sentiment, which is heavily influenced by news events, social media buzz, and other similar factors. Positive news stories or endorsements from high-profile individuals and institutions can spark enthusiasm among investors, leading to increased buying activity. Eventually, the technological advancements and ongoing development within the Bitcoin network can influence its price. Improvements in transaction speed, scalability solutions, and security upgrades can enhance the practical utility of Bitcoin, making it more appealing to users and investors alike. In technical analysis, resistance levels are like invisible barriers that prevent the price of an asset from moving higher. Once the price reaches this level, it tends to pull back. But if the price breaks through the resistance level, it could signal a continued upward trend. Right now, Bitcoin is facing a key resistance level. If the price can break through this level, it could be a very bullish signal. However, if the price struggles to surpass this resistance, we might see a pullback. In the world of trading, resistance refers to a price point that an asset has difficulty exceeding. It's a psychological barrier, a price level at which selling pressure overcomes buying pressure, making it difficult for the price to rise further. Right now, Bitcoin is at the precipice of such a resistance level. Why is this important, you may ask? Well, if Bitcoin manages to break through this resistance level, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. It's like breaking through a ceiling. Once you're through, there's room to rise even higher. This would be a very bullish signal, implying that the momentum is strong enough to overcome selling pressure. However, if Bitcoin's price struggles to cross this resistance level, we might see a reversal of the recent bullish trend. Resistance levels often trigger profit-taking, as investors anticipate a potential price drop. If enough investors sell their holdings, it could create downward pressure on the price, leading to a pullback or even a trend reversal. Understanding resistance levels is crucial for anyone interested in cryptocurrency trading. These levels can provide insights into market sentiment and potential price reversals. They can help you make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. However, it's important to keep in mind that technical analysis, while incredibly useful, isn't infallible. Resistance levels are based on historical data. And as the saying goes, past performance is not indicative of future results. Therefore, They should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis to make well-rounded investment decisions. For instance, keeping a pulse on the latest news events, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic trends can provide valuable context. Plus, understanding the fundamental value of Bitcoin, such as its utility, scarcity, and the security of its underlying technology, can provide a solid foundation for investment decisions. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Bitcoin's price has started to increase again. But there's a key resistance level that we need to watch out for. Whether Bitcoin can break through this resistance could be a key indicator of where its price is headed next. As always, remember to do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, and while they offer significant potential for gains, they also come with substantial risks. That's all for today's episode. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow crypto enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Dorks for daily updates on cryptocurrency markets.